Say Bubba.
Alright, this is my little cousin Bubba.
Yep.
Full effect. Finna do his thing, do what he do. Show him how he work it.
Here we go.
Gonna do a little dance first or something? Gonna do a little dance, huh?
Do some break dance, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, let's get serious. Alright, that's one. It's just a warm up.
Warm up. You want one hand?
Alright,
Now I'm about to run and hit one with no hands.
alright. Alright.
Is that high?
Yeah, can we get 3 of them though?
I'm gonna try.
You just did it.
I know, but I'm tired. I gotta catch my breath.
You should be able to do 4.
I'm gonna work on it. I think I hit 2 in the last one with no hands. Let me try. Alright, here we go.
Alright.
Catch my breath, you know what I'm saying?
It's all good. You too young to be out of breath.
I know it's just. I'll just flip it.
Alright.
What's that?
That was 3.
Oh, that's it.
Can't do 4?
I'm gonna try.
You should be able to do it all the way down the street.
Man. I'm gonna try. Let me see.
Alright, one more.
Catch my breath. Let me try to hit 4 of them. Let me see.
Rock and roll.